In this video, you'll find out how to clean the milk hose of your WMF1100s manually as required. Switch the machine off, pull out the cover of the coffee spout and remove the milk foamer, including the milk nozzle. Remove the blue aperture and pull carefully outwards until you can access the milk hose attached to it. Remove the milk hose from the aperture. You can now pull the milk hose out of the left-hand side of the machine. To prepare the cleaning solution, you will need the WMF special cleaner for milk foamers supplied. The special cleaner has a dosing device. To measure out a dose, open the bottle. Squeeze gently to fill the dosing device with 5 millilitres. Add the special cleaner to half a litre of warm water. Soak the milk hose in the cleaning solution for at least 5 hours. Make sure that the cleaning solution flows inside the hose. After soaking, rinse the milk hose with clean water. All parts must be dried thoroughly after cleaning. Guide the milk hose into the machine from the left. Take hold of the milk hose inside the machine and pull it towards you. Attach the milk hose to the blue aperture. Hook the aperture in on the right and press the left-hand side of the aperture back until it clicks into place. To avoid pinching, make sure that you guide the milk hose backwards at the same time. Next, reposition the milk foamer, including milk nozzle, and attach the cover with a coffee spout to the machine. Finally, attach the click and clean adapter to the hose and connect it to the milk container. Your WMF1100s is now freshly cleaned and ready for use once more.